An investment bank is a financial services company or corporate division that engages in advisory-based financial transactions on behalf of individuals, corporations, and governments, traditionally associated with corporate finance. Such a bank might assist in raising financial capital by underwriting or acting as the client's agent in the issuance of securities. An investment bank may also assist companies involved in mergers and acquisitions, middle market, and boutique market. Unlike commercial banks and retail banks, investment banks do not take deposits. From the passage of Glass-Steagall Act in 1933 until its repeal in 1999 by the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, the United States maintained a separation between investment banking and commercial banks. Other industrialized countries, including G7 countries, have historically not maintained such a separation. As part of the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act of 2010, the Volcker Rule asserts some institutional separation of investment banking services from commercial banking. All investment banking activity is classed as either sell-side or buy-side. The sell side involves trading securities for cash or for other securities, or the promotion of securities. The buy side involves the provision of advice to institutions that buy investment services. Private equity funds, mutual funds, life insurance companies, unit trusts, and hedge funds are the most common types of buy-side entities. An investment bank can also be split into private and public functions with a screen separating the two to prevent information from crossing. The private areas of the bank deal with private insider information that may not be publicly disclosed, while the public areas, such as stock analysis, deal with public information. An advisor who provides investment banking services in the United States must be a licensed broker-dealer and subject to U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Financial Industry Regulatory Authority regulation. It is important to note that from about the early 1600s to about the mid-18th century, the Dutch Republic's economic, business and financial systems were the most advanced and sophisticated ever seen in history. The Dutch East India Company was the first company to issue bonds and shares of stock to the general public. It was also the first publicly traded company, being the first company to be listed on an official stock exchange. The Dutch also helped lay the foundations of the modern practice of investment banking. Investment banking has changed over the years, beginning as a partnership firm focused on underwriting security issuance, i.e. initial public offerings and secondary market offerings, brokerage, and mergers and acquisitions, and evolving into a full-service range including securities research, proprietary trading, and investment management. In the 21st century, the SEC filings of the major independent investment banks such as Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley reflect three product segments. In the United States, commercial banking and investment banking were separated by the Glass-Steagall Act, which was repealed in 1999. The repeal led to more universal banks, offering an even greater range of services. Many large commercial banks have therefore developed investment banking divisions through acquisitions and hiring. Notable large banks with significant investment banks include JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, Credit Suisse, Deutsche Bank, UBS, and Barclays. After the financial crisis of 2007-08 and the subsequent passage of the Dodd-Frank Act of 2010, regulations have limited certain investment banking operations, notably with the Volcker Rule's restrictions on proprietary trading. The traditional service of underwriting security issues has declined as a percentage of revenue. As far back as 1960, 70% of Merrill Lynch's revenue was derived from transaction commissions while traditional investment banking services accounted for 5%. However, Merrill Lynch was a relatively retail-focused firm with a large brokerage network. Investment banking is split into front office, middle office, and back office activities, while large service investment banks offer all lines of business, both sell-side and buy-side. Smaller sell-side investment firms such as boutique investment banks and small broker-dealers focus on investment banking and sales, trading, research, respectively. Investment banks offer services to both corporations issuing securities and investors buying securities. For corporations, investment bankers offer information on when and how to place their securities on the open market, an activity very important to an investment bank's reputation. Therefore, investment bankers play a very important role in issuing new security offerings. Front office is generally described as a revenue-generating role. There are two main areas within front office: investment banking and markets. Corporate